Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to fix Messenger custom background on video call not working issue. If you are facing this issue a lot in your Messenger application, then to solve it, this video is for you. To solve this, first of all, open your App Store and then search for Messenger. And make sure that no update is available. If there are any update, then simply hit on the update button. Once you do that, go through your settings and then scroll down to the last. You will see option of Messenger. Simply hit on that. Now go to the photos and make sure that it is full accessed, because to custom the background you need to have full access of photos. So in this way you can fix this issue. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.